my channel, it's Porsha right here. We're back with another makeup tutorial. Today we are going to be playing with makeup. If you want to see how I got this face, keep on watching. Let's get on with this video. Okay, so today we're just going to go ahead and moisturize our face. We're going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. And I'm going to need to get some more because we're running kind of low. You always want to moisturize your face. Make sure your skin is moisturized really good under your foundation. And of course, go in with some SPF. This is the Cay Skin. That is a lot, girl. And I did go in with this new lip balm that I've been loving. I got it from Target. It's Natrium. And I got mine in the shade Clear. Let me just go ahead and put some more on because it's fall. It's about to be cold, so y'all need to keep y'all lips moisturized. Okay, keep the lips moisturized. Okay, so we went ahead and did that. Next, we're going to go ahead and prime. I'm going to go in with the Milk Hydrogrip Primer. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that, spread that out to my face. Okay, y'all, so I got a new foundation. Well, if y'all seen my video 2 videos ago with the Haus Lab foundation, I got a new shade because that one was like my summer shade. So I got this shade in 460 medium deep warm. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and apply this. And in today's video, I'm going to apply it with a sponge. So I want to see how I look with a sponge. So I have my Sonia Kashuk sponge I got from Target. And we're just going to go ahead and blend this in. Okay, so the shade 470. I feel like that was my summer shade. And that foundation did oxidize. So I exchanged it for 460, and this one looks like it's a better match. Because on me, it seemed like that foundation just oxidized. It looked good when I first put it on, but it got a little darker throughout the day. Okay, so this is how it's looking blended out with a sponge. And I did get a new concealer. I exchanged the other one and I got 21W. I didn't want it to be too light, so I just got the 21W. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and bronze first. And this is my Sephora Best Skin in 61P. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and apply this Milk Concealer. Are y'all ready for fall? Because fall is here, honey. I live in Georgia and it was like 50 degrees this morning. And I was like, baby, no. I think I like these shades better. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and blend up this bronzer shade into my cheek. smaller one. I think girls be more excited about fall than guys do, because we get to dress up, we get to wear boots, we get to wear sweats, we get to wear sneakers, we get to wear jeans. It's just like the fashion is here, you know? You really know you can dress if you dress really good in during the fall. The fall, the winter. I love it. I don't like the temperature, but I just love the dressing part, getting dressed up, putting on layers, you know. And when y'all blend it, make sure y'all get that little corner right there by y'all nose. Cause I know I'll be forgetting. This foundation looks so luminous and I love it. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and set this concealer and make sure all my creases are going blended out. I'm gonna take the other side of the sponge and go in with my Morphe powder. And I'm going to set this under my eye, because I don't want my under eye moving at all. I'm going to go in with my Huda powder, and I'm just going to leave this bake a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and bronze with my one size, just to put some powder over this bronzer I already placed. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do my nose. Okay, so this is how the face is looking. We're going to go ahead and do some eyes. We're going to go in with this Jaclyn Hill palette. This is how it looks. It's actually on sale if you follow the Ulta fall sale. So we're going to go in with Booked. It's a brown. First I need to conceal my eyes. We'll just go in with this Milk Makeup concealer, and we'll just add a little bit to the eyelids, just for it can have something to attach to. And these eyelashes are I already did a tutorial on these eyelashes, and these are the eyelashes I've been wearing lately because it's so convenient for me as a mom of 3. If I want to do makeup, I don't have to worry about that one step, you know. Okay, so that's blended out pretty good. So like I was saying, we're gonna go in with Booked. And we're just doing that in the crease. We're just focusing that in the crease in the outer V. And then we're going to take another brush. And we're going to go in with Good Vibes. Just to blend that out, no harsh lines. Okay, so then we're gonna go in with this one shade. It's called Exposed. Let me swatch it for y'all. Y'all can't really see it, but we're about to go in with this shade. It's like a gunmetal green. Just to add a little shimmer to the eyes. So I'm really carving. You can feel your eye socket. I'm really just carving that out. And then I'm filling it in. I feel it. I'm carving out my eye socket. I feel it. Then I'm just going back and forth, and then I'm filling it in. Then I'm doing patting motions on the eye. Then I'm gonna go right back in with that same brush. Go back in with Booked. And we're gonna blend that, because we don't want to lose that color. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of cinnamon roll. Just a little bit. And put that on this outer V. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Skinny pencil, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that under my eye. And I kind of like flick this up a little bit, but not creating a wing, but just flicking it up. I'm not going to connect it to anything at the top, I don't think. So you see how it looks just so much more complete. Now we're going to take a clean brush and we're going to just dust that away. I'm really just pressing that into my skin. Then we're going to go in with this Fenty powder in shade 400. And we're just going to go over everything. Because everything is going to be sitting. Looking good. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place Volume 4 blush. I'm gonna go in with this top shade, this pink one. I'm just gonna add a little bit. Then we're going to go in with this bottom shade, and we're just going to go on top of that, just on the top part. Then I'm going to go in with my highlighter. Okay, I'm going to go in with this Jaclyn Hill Megawatt. I'm just going to add some to my nose right here. You only need a little bit of this, y'all. I'm going to add some to the cheeks. Next, we're going to go ahead and spray using our Urban Decay. I'm definitely going to have to get some more of this in the Sephora sale that's coming up soon. If y'all want to see a recommendation of what I would get in the Sephora sale, please leave a comment down below and I will do that video for y'all. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with this Rare Beauty lip liner. Okay, this is the shade Milk the Cocoa in the NYX. And then this one is Cookies and Milk. We're going to go in a little bit with this one, because I want it to have a little bit of an ombre effect. Okay, y'all, this is how the face is looking. This is one of many fall looks that I have that's going to be up on my channel, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, guys, bye.